Hello, my name's Elaine and I'm part of the team here at Healthcare First. My role is in operations, which means I focus on your overall experience as a patient, from the moment you contact us right through to your appointment with a clinician. Whether it's making it easy to get in touch, improving how we communicate, or ensuring your visit runs smoothly, our teams are here to help make sure your journey with us is as positive and seamless as possible. Because at Healthcare First, we believe every part of your care matters, not just the treatment, but the experience too. We believe the best care starts with listening to our patients. That's why we're proud to work closely with our Patient Participation Group, also known as the PPG. The PPG is a group of patients, carers and practice team who meet regularly to talk about how we can improve the way we work. It's a great way for patients to share ideas, raise concerns and help shape the future of their healthcare. Our PPG isn't just about giving feedback, it's about making real change. Together, we make sure all our voices in our community are heard. We help tailor services to meet real patient needs and support high quality, compassionate care for everyone. Now I'd like to introduce you to Mark, one of our dedicated PPG members. Mark's here to tell you more about the important projects the wider group has been working on and how they're making a real difference for patients like you.
Hello, my name is Mark. I'm a member of the Patient Participation Group here with Healthcare First. You may have seen me in a waiting room, probably Methley, waiting to see my own kind of doctor. You may have spoken to me in the waiting room, or I may have spoken to you asking about your experience with System Connect, or you may have been some of the training sessions we've done here. So hopefully some of you will recognise me anyway. If you live in Methley, you may also recognise me as the bloke who runs around the village in the morning, trying to not look like he's completely knackered. But enough about me. The Patient Participation Group is a group set up to essentially try to liaise, I suppose, between the patients and the medical staff across the Healthcare First set of practices. Our role is to kind of highlight areas where the practice can improve, and hopefully together we can actually then result in a much better standard of patient care across all of our surgeries. Most recently, we were heavily involved in finding the replacement for the old practice system, which was deep and popular, and its replacement with the System Connect. As I say, you may have seen me or my colleagues at the training sessions we organised for System Connect back in March, I think it was, and you may have more recently spoken to us, or we may have spoken to you about your experience with System Connect in several of our waiting rooms in the last few days and weeks. Hopefully you are finding the new process System Connect and the medical triage a lot more straightforward and satisfactory than the old system. But we really do, again, just need to know your experiences of that, really, and how we can carry on improving in the practice. We hope soon, I think, to have an email address established where you'll then be able to use that to actually get directly in touch with anyone in the patient participation group. So again, if you have anything you think needs to be raised that will help the practice improve, then we can take that up on your behalf and push that through with them. Clearly, medical conditions, you need to sort those out really directly with your own practice. Certainly I have no medical training, but anything to do with just the way the service itself is run, get in touch with us. The other thing I will say, the patient participation group at the moment is quite small. We are looking to increase numbers in the group, and if you think you might be able to help and can make a contribution to improving the way the practice is run, get in touch through your surgery with the admin people, and again we'll try and see about increasing the size of the group. I think that's all I need to say for the moment, so thank you very much, and thank you for listening and watching.
If you really feel passionate about improving local healthcare, have ideas to share, or want to help others as a digital champion, we'd love to hear from you. Just ask at a reception or visit our website to find out how to become a digital champion or join the PPG. Your voice really can make a difference. Thank you.